Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect integrations in Clickfunnels. This is essential for linking funnels with tools like email platforms, marketing tools, payment gateways, and other services to automate your workflows. Now, let's get started. On the Clickfunnels dashboard, there are two ways to integrate apps. The first way is directly on the dashboard. We just need to click the Add Apps button. Once we click Add Apps, all the available apps will appear. We can connect an app by clicking on it and then clicking the Connect button. If this option is not available, we can use the other method. For the second option, simply click Add App to connect it to your Clickfunnels account. The other way is to go to the workspace in the lower left part of the dashboard, then go to Integrations. From here, choose the app we want to connect. The main purpose of integrations in Clickfunnels is to keep our marketing, sales, and operations running smoothly by connecting with third-party tools. This lets us automatically manage leads, process payments, and sync data across platforms, so we spend less time on manual tasks like exporting data or updating our CRM. And that's how to connect integrations in Clickfunnels. With this setup, we can simplify our processes and make our funnels work more efficiently.